just sitting on top of the van in Lake Havasu watching all these jet boat races and airplanes and helicopters and all kinds of action going on. Pretty crazy day to show up in Havasu, but it's pretty fun. I think it's a good day to want to hang out in town, I guess. Oh, some more planes right there. Check it out. Yeah. Sweet. This is the good old time here in Havasu. Fun times, fun times. Eat my wake. Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to VTV. This is your host, Carrie Lynn. It's been about a month since I posted any videos, you guys. I apologize for that. I have been on the road for over a month. So join me. We are heading basically from Mexico up to Canada. We're going to be driving up around the Puget Sound into Oregon and back down. So many amazing and crazy things have happened along this journey, so I can't wait to share it with you guys. And it's going to have in sections because it's a lot of work to put this stuff together, and I got a lot of miles on the road coming. So thanks for tuning in and join me on the road. All right, you guys, this is a real quick stop just outside of Lake Havasu. Is Parker Dam. Just stopped to take a gander. Pretty blue water. Okay, you guys, so we're driving over the London Bridge. I'm so excited. I've been waiting forever to drive over this bridge. I know it sounds funny, but I'm super excited about it. Little did I know that the boat races were going to be going on during this trip. So I'll have some photographs at the end for you guys to check out. Also, we'll be having everything from strangers breaking down to driving through dirt tornadoes. We are in line at the In-N-Out Burger across the street from the London Bridge. Hey everybody, we're in Lake Havasu. We just got here. We got to drive over the London Bridge. I think there's boat races today. It's a really crazy day to be here. It's just nuts. So we're on the island, but we drove clear to the backside. There's a bunch of starlings over here. I'm just going crazy, but they sound like tropical birds. And my cute little honey. And then I gotta show you guys these smoke trees. These smoke trees down here are like blooming pink. Nope, man. There's a thunderstorm ahead. I can see the rain. I can wash the bird poop off my solar panels. Wind. Just started hitting the rain. Not gonna complain about rain. Except for all the dudes on motorcycles, maybe. Just fueled up, trying to keep prices as cheap as we can along the journey. Because I hear California's $7 and we don't want to pay that, so we're rolling through Arizona and Nevada and Utah. I'm guessing Nevada's not cheap either, but it is super windy here. It's so windy, it just uprooted and blew a tree right out of the ground right there. These guys were sawing down, blowing me all over the road. I couldn't videotape. I had a sheriff behind me, and it's blowing me all over the road literally. So I'm gonna put the phone down and drive. These guys stuck in the sand here, and so I got traction boards and shovels. We're going to try to get them out, hoping I don't have to winch or anything, but we'll see what happens. So yes. Yeah. Well, that was super cool. We pulled over and helped two guys that had just got pulled over by the police for expired plates on their Enterprise rent-a-van. Their rental had expired plates. I feel so bad. And then they were completely stuck in the sand, which if I didn't have four-wheel drive and pulled over in here, we'd be stuck in it too. But luckily we got four-wheel drive, but just left them there stuck. So with traction boards and a couple of shovels, we got them out. So that was awesome. Richard was the one that really did all the work. So it's his smart. So woohoo. All right. We saved somebody. We're back on the road. All right, you guys, we're on Route 66 at the Phillips 66, where gas is 66 cents. Don't I wish, don't I wish. And this friendly donkey, a couple little aliens, you know, little John Wayne Martian aliens. I see a little Sinclair dinosaur in the back of that red truck, so had to stop.